Alright then guys, welcome to the video, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, the S2000 is parked here because this is the reason why I cannot lower this car. This driveway entry and exit makes it impossible. A lot of you have been saying, why don't I just sort the driveway out, flatten this bit so I can get cars in and out easier? And well, I've done one better than that. We have bought a house. Yeah, this is pretty nuts. As you can see, this driveway, far more S2000 friendly. This is also the first house we've ever bought.
Gonna be a learning curve.
Yes, and also what you'll see is inside does need some love. So this is a 1965 build house, so it's seen some things. Anyway, let's cut to past us to when we literally first got the keys, and we'll give you a little tour of basically how we bought this house. You can't just go in. I've got to carry you in. It's the first. It's the first thing. It's the first time.
I was like,
yeah. So I thought I'd give you a tour of how we have just bought this house. First of all, we've got downstairs toilet. This is all wooden flooring, this is all part of an extension, which is pretty cool. There's going to be quite a few bits that change just because it's got quite dated. We've got this kitchen, which is probably the best room, well, it is the best room in the house. We don't know where any light switches are or anything yet. Yeah.
That's like you're in the dark.
This is a big win because we don't really need to do much in here apart from like clean everything. And it's got like integrated dishwasher and there's a washing machine, fridge and stuff, so that's very good. Then from pretty much from here onwards, everything's gonna get, oh, we're gonna paint this door as well.
Door, change handle,
yeah.
And then obviously like ceiling, we're gonna get like ceilings kind of replastered and freshened up.
Back into the hallway. We're not gonna have any wallpaper anywhere, so we're gonna fully repaint the entire house. In here, this is also quite dark. So this is like the dining room area. So we're probably actually gonna put a dining room table in here. Again, wallpaper is gonna change. You'll see throughout the videos like our actual plans of what we're gonna do, but it's pretty much white and grey with maybe some other like dark greens and dark blues or something.
Like simple.
Yeah, they're awful stickers all over the house.
There's a worse one upstairs.
Yeah, we'll get to that in a bit. Then we've got storage. You probably won't be able to see this under here, but oh, there is a light.
Yeah.
Nice. So that goes all the way back there, which is nice. And then we've got this archway bit that leads into the main living room.
Which I'm very excited about.
Which is cool. We've got a fireplace.
Yeah, we've got a little...
Very nice. I think we're probably going to end up... Oh yeah, turn the light on. I think we're going to put our TV on this wall. I like this greyish colour, or at least this is the sort of idea we're going to do anyway. We're going to repaint absolutely everything. But this being an accent colour, I really like. This leads into the garden, which I'll probably show you that when we do the garage as well. So that's like the downstairs. If we go upstairs, there's a mirror, which they've left, which we might actually keep. Don't hate it. There's Zara. The landing area. So we've got like a airing cupboard, good bit of storage. Let's do it in here first. So this is going to be the room where I'll have my desk, my office. So this is where we work.
What you mean is it's actually going to be the gaming room?
The gaming zone. Should I leave the sticker? Leave a comment down below whether we should leave the stickers on the wall.
Absolutely not.
This is going to be the gaming zone, dudes. This is going to be my office. So this will be where all the videos get edited and all that kind of stuff. There's some random shelf. They've left LED lights around the whole thing. But yeah, all of this is going to fully change anyway. Maybe apart from the sticker. Gaming zone. I will save the master bedroom. We've got the loft ladder down at the moment, which I'm going to show you the loft because that's very cool. Yeah, this is our second bedroom, which hate this. So this room's going to be obviously a spare. Yeah, do it. This room's going to be the spare room.
That did a lot.
Nice. This room's going to be the spare room and also probably Zara's office. So I think we're going to do this really cool like matte pinky colour on this wall.
And then
we've got another bit of graphic.
There's Harvey, yeah.
So I guess Harvey used to be in this room.
Yeah.
Not anymore, because it's ours. Just everything needs a really good clean. So like this is the underside of the loft hatch. Bathroom in here kind of looks all right at first glance, but then the more you look at it, the weirder it gets. So these awful tiles that have been
We found some of the old ones in the loft, so they're just ugly.
I mean, it works.
Yeah,
you can see like paint's chipping off down here, around the bath's a bit minging. Then also, yeah, as you can see, that's not the nicest. So we're going to change all this as well. But it is usable. This isn't like our main focus because this works. We'll probably end up replacing the shower thing pretty quick, and there needs to be some ventilation and stuff. I quite like the idea of retiling it, but we don't have unlimited money. Then we go this way, and this is into the master bedroom. Another mirror that's broken.
And then
some of the worst graphics of all time.
Why?
They split up, and so one of them was living here, with this on the wall still, which is pretty savage, and didn't take it down.
So what we're going to do, we're going to get Zara and Ollie.
Yeah, same thing, Zara.
Same thing, it's just going to be...
Maybe more love hearts. No, definitely not. Massive windows, and again, wallpaper. I think we're going to do like a dark grey.
I think...
Oh, no,
sorry. Green, like a greeny...
Either green or the navy. We haven't fully decided.
But yeah, we're going to do one feature wall.
And then everything else will go sort of white. And then actually, if we swap places, we're also thinking, guys, so obviously this is a wardrobe. I'm thinking we come across here all the way. Oh, we can't actually, because there's a window. Doesn't really matter. And then this will all be wardrobe as well.
Figure it out.
So that is down here. Then let's go and I'll show you inside the loft. Today has been the first time we've gone in the loft. Pretty cool old photo of the house from back in the day. This loft is massive. This is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Our plan is to fully board this entire thing and use this as almost like another room, but it not really being another room. So there'll be wardrobes and stuff up here. All the car parts, like look, all of this, oh, you can't actually see. This goes back that way. Same on the other side, so I can slide boxes for car parts and stuff. The roof is really high. Really organized storage is the idea. And outside, we've got this decking area, which is pretty cool. This is actually just decking covering like these concrete slabs. Like the grey colour though, that works for me. And then we've got this garden, which it leads down to. These steps are proper sketchy as well. I kind of like the trees. It's just a bit of a weird vibe for England. Well, we're gonna get some sort of shed or something for down here, but also mini ramp's gonna go somewhere down here as well. It's gonna be sick. Very excited for that. But yeah, it's quite a decent sized garden. This is like a much easier to maintain garden, especially as like all of this bit's already stones.
We've got a little water butt.
Many reasons why we bought this house.
I just realised you look like one of those people that
are doing the house tour for you to buy it.
Yeah.
I feel like that too.
Yeah. It's just when you walked up the steps like...
So one of the reasons you should buy it. No, so obviously cars are important. This is one of the major reasons why this house ended up being the one. Oh, there's a water, I've just noticed the water taps here, which is great for washing cars. This is a very long garage that you probably could fit 2 cars in, nose to nose. The plan is S2000 is going to be living in the garage, which I'm so happy about. I reckon the S2000 is probably going to end up about here-ish, maybe, which means
got some shelving.
All the space all around here that you can see will all be, and you can see, previous owner did some graffiti, which I think is hilarious. I'm even tempted to leave that and maybe do another one next to it, just being like, Ollie was here. That could be pretty funny. I don't know. No,
I think we'll have like a big fridge.
Yeah.
And like a mini chest freezer.
Yeah. Think of all these walls with all the banners that are going to go. Oh, it's going to be so, there's going to be a, oh, there's switches here as well. What's that one for? In addition to this, is outside, which actually there's bins in front of these doors, so I won't open these doors. We'll go back through the house and then I'll show you the front. This is a carport for the Civic as well, so this is the dream scenario for me really. To be able to get both cars undercover, well, one being in a garage and then this Civic being under here is just amazing. Again, needs a load of sweeping and like just making nice. This is just nuts. And not only that, yeah, keep going backwards. We then also have driveway, which you can get another car here. You could probably squeeze 2 cars here as well. So that's 5 cars you can get off the road, and then you could park on the road as well. Like, what's this? Oh!
Yeah, we're still like just working out like little like kind of things like opening drawers and cupboards and just like...
Yeah, so this is basically like the first initial tour of like the way that we've just bought this house. We bought a house. As you're going to see over the next few videos, I've decided I'm going to film the whole process of us actually doing this place up.
I'm sure there's going to be some hilarious moments, mistakes, who knows what we're going to find.
Also, guys, if there is anyone that knows better than us, which I'm sure there will be, I'm sure a lot of you know what you're doing, we have absolutely no clue on what we're doing. So what you're about to see from us in here is fully just made up, pretty much. So if you've got any tips or any connections for anything to be done in the future, that'd be amazing. Also, let me know down below, guys, do you want to see us break down the costs of how much all of this stuff has cost or not? Or do you just want us to get through it? Just let me know in the comment section below and we can easily break that down for you if you want. We've got to strip wallpaper, we've got all that stuff like we've mentioned in this video. So
deep cleaning. Then we need to move in at some point.
Also, that too. So we're going to head in and get started with that stuff, but we'll catch you guys in the next video when we start actually attacking the inside of this thing and getting it more towards how we want it to be. Subscribe down below if you want to see the rest of the house transformation series, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.